I got a package from
Engin Saraççi.
and he's from Turkey. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. Today we are going to do a special unboxing from a man that makes custom wheels, and they are beautiful. I did have to go ahead and open this because, as you can tell, this box was beat to death and I was very worried about the contents inside. So here we go. I actually got 3 sets of custom wheels from Engin Saraççi. These are Weld Racing replicas. I'll give you a little close-up roll around here. They have a cool little center cap, as you can see, and then the back is also tapped so that way your SLW hub actually screws in from the back instead of the front. These are super nice. They are a 2-piece design, so the front actually is just this barrel, and then the back of the wheel is the face and the back mounting plate of the wheel. They are super cool. I don't know what these are going to go on yet, but I got them. Next up is a set of mountain crushers. I'll give you a little walk around back and forth here. Very cool. I like them a lot. I'm not 100% sure what these will go on either. They may go on a K5, but these are all 1.9 by 1.75. They're almost as wide as they are big in diameter. Yeah, diameter. So that is that. Next, these are called Sidewinders. They are also a Weld Racing replica. The difference in these are the UFO cap. So the center cap right here is not the standard cap. This is what's called a UFO cap. It's only held on by 2 bolts that are different size, but these things are amazing. They have detail in the outer ring here, and then the cap actually has Weld Racing forged, and you can literally see that all around. It's an aluminum cap. These things are sick. If you've never seen them before, go check out Engin's Instagram or his Facebook page. I believe his Instagram actually has more to look at than his Facebook page does, but I could be wrong. I will warn you, if you're in the US, shipping is high. You have to really want these things to get them. One of the ways I saved a little bit of money was I knew I was going to buy all 3 sets, so I bought all 3 at the same time, and then got railed for shipping once instead of 3 times. But they are worth it. And as you've seen in the little B-roll, I did mount these up on some tires. One set, or a couple of them I guess, is mounted up on the RC4WD Mickey Thompson. Old school design. They're very square. I like them a lot. They are 4.6, 4.5, 4.45, something a little bit shorter than a 4.75. They're nice and wide, and they fit these wheels almost perfectly. These are the kind of tire that would have been on these wheels in the 90s and the early 2000s, whenever these wheels would have been out and popular and new. Super Swamper obviously is a timeless tire. I put one of those on as well. I did put these on the Proline boggers. They actually fill out the bogger really well. If you wanted a monstrous tire on a show truck of some sort or a mud truck and run these, bogger does look pretty good. In conclusion, I hope you liked what they are. I love these things. They are gorgeous. The machining in them is really nice. And that is coming from a guy that obviously loves a lot of wheels. These things are beautiful. The fact that he does these in his little shop that he showed me is amazing. So, if you want some, hit him up on Instagram or Facebook. I'll put his links in the description. And that is all. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram and the Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC, across the board. Check me out on Monday nights on YouTube live at 7 o'clock, and I will see you later. Bye!